Hey Zander, the future of Alberta's economy relies on you.
Who, me? Oh, hey, where are we? What are these? Saws, drills, sparks, hammers?
Whoa, pal, give me some time to explain. These are all part of the trades that are essential for the economy. You and other youth have a massive influence on the prosperity of Alberta.
Where am I now? Huh?
Skills Alberta. Here we strive to promote career paths within the trades.
Well, that's great, but what do the trades actually do?
Everything, from the carpenters building the houses we live in to the chefs whipping up the food we eat.
Yeah, but what role do I play in all this?
An incredibly important one. You and all other youth are the foundation on which trades are built. Without new people entering the trades, Alberta's economy would suffer.
Well, I don't know the first thing about saws and hammers.
You don't have to. There's something for everyone here. It's just about finding the trade that's right for you.
So the trades allow me and others to directly influence Alberta's growth through a variety of careers?
Yes, the trades make up the base of Alberta's economy and community by providing essential services for the province.
I think I'm ready to make a difference.